Samsung Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus are set to launch at the Galaxy Unpacked event, just ahead of Mobile World Congress 2018, in Barcelona. We have had our fair share of leaks, renders, and rumors to get an almost certain picture around Samsung's upcoming flagship phones. However, we are still a few days away from the Galaxy S9 launch event, and reports around the two phones haven't stopped yet. Fresh renders of the Galaxy S9 series have revealed color options, and a separate leak has outed specifications of the upcoming range. Starting off with renders of a new color variant, reputed tipster Evan Blass took to Twitter to showcase a new titanium gray variant expected to launch with the Galaxy S9 range. Blass has previously leaked renders of the smartphones in lilac purple and coral blue hues. The report mentions that the titanium gray color option may not launch in European markets. It says the bigger model will have the dual camera setup, but the smaller sibling will feature a single sensor with variable aperture, so buyers will be able to switch between f/1.5 and f/2.4. Apart from that, the two Galaxy S9 phones will also get slow-motion video recording of up to 960 fps. Both cameras feature OIS and a combination of laser and dual-pixel autofocus. Additionally, the selfie camera will have an 8-megapixel sensor with f/1.7 aperture. This report also talks about the stereo speakers, with surround sound, that will be fine-tuned by Samsung-owned audio brand AKG. Talking about the displays, the Galaxy S9 is reported to sport a 5.8-inch display, while the Galaxy S9 Plus is expected to retain the 6.2-inch display, both with an 18.5:9 aspect ratio. 3D emojis, inspired by Apple's Animoji, also seem to be part of the package. The Samsung Galaxy S9 is expected to get a maximum of 4GB RAM, and the Galaxy S9 Plus will get 6GB RAM in the top variant. Both variants will be launched in single SIM and dual SIM options. Separately, the Galaxy S9 might get a 3000 mAh battery, while capacity on the Galaxy S9 Plus is expected to be 3500 mAh. Talking about the processor specifications, the report suggests the Galaxy S9 Duo will get the latest Samsung Exynos 9810 SoC that is based on the 10nm process, and features 4 cores clocked at 1.9 GHz, and 4 cores clocked at 2.9 GHz. The phones will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 SoC in US and China. The European variant of the phones is expected to come with 64GB inbuilt storage, expandable via microSD card, up to 400GB. And, lastly, the phones will run Samsung Experience 9.0 on top of Android 8.0 Oreo, and feature IP68 certification for water and dust resistance. Iris scanner, facial recognition, and fingerprint sensor will be part of the package too. As for the availability, the report says the Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus will be up for pre-orders from the date of unveiling, February 25. However, it does not mention a release date.